Hey guys, this is Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to explain to you what you missed on September 1st. So you would have to go, of course, to our garden class, go to class work, and then find the live Zoom for September 1st, and that has your instructions. So it says today we're learning about seedless plants. You will complete your assignments on BrainPop, but you still have to come back to Google Classroom and turn in this assignment as well. So the instructions for BrainPop, one, you need to watch the assigned video. Number two, you have to read one related reading of your choice. I had picked out a reading, or we actually voted on a reading. We read the reading together, but you can pick any of the readings that you'd like. Number three, you need to fill out your graphic organizer. And then lastly, you need to complete the BrainPop challenge. So most people did this pretty quickly and easily. I'll walk you through the steps. So to get to BrainPop, you could type it in right here, BrainPop, but you won't be logged in when you get to it. So instead of typing in and just going to brainpop.com, you need to go to Launchpad. And when you're in your Launchpad, you have to search for the library resources. Once you get there, you'll see your BrainPop. Now, it's going to open it up, and your view will look a little different than mine, but you should already be logged in. What you're going to look for up on top is your dashboard. Okay, and like I said, yours is going to look different than mine, but you will have a dashboard. So click on your dashboard, and yours will look different. Yours will come up with your assignments. Mine shows my classes, but when I click on your class, you'll see your assignment for the day. So you should see this when you click on your dashboard, Seedless Plants Assignment. So you're going to click on the Seedless Plant Assignment, and this is what it should look like to you. It'll show 4 boxes, 4 things you need to complete. The first thing you're going to do is watch the Seedless Plant movie. Now, then you can watch this as many times as you need to. I really think it'd be a good idea to watch the video twice and even watch it while you're doing the Seedless Plant Challenge. You can open it in a separate window and you can watch it while you're doing the challenge and pause to help you answer those questions. After you do your Seedless Plant movie, you can go to your organizer. I'll show you what that looks like. And it's going to have you compare and contrast seedless plants with seeded plants. So it's kind of like a Venn diagram, but it's not a circle. So as you're watching the video about seedless plants, take some notes so you can type down at least 3 different things that are unique to the seedless plant. And then write down at least 3 different things that are unique to our seed plants. And then what do they both have in common? So things like of course, they're plants, so of course they're going to require water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. So those are easy for them both. But watch that video carefully, take some notes, and then you'll be able to fill this organizer out easily. And I want you to notice that you just type on there, okay? You just click. Now, one really important thing is that when you're done, you scroll down to the bottom, and although mine doesn't say it, yours will have a button to save, okay? It's really important that you come and save this. If you just exit out, then it won't save anything. You have to redo it. So save it, and then once you save it, it will change to a picture that's of a paper airplane, and it will say submit. So you hit save, and then it will change to submit, and then hit submit. That's the only way I'll get your work. Once you're done with that, you've saved and submitted it, you can go to show details. You can do a reading. The reading is your choice. There's 4 options. In depth, which would probably be the most helpful to you. Quirky stuff, which is kind of like silly, funny things about that's seedless plants. And then in practice is how does this apply into real life? And then lastly, trivia. That's the one that we read together. These are just trivial facts about seedless plants. So you can read whichever one you'd like. Once you're done, that one will automatically save once you go here. You go to show detail next, and then you would go to your challenge last. And the challenge is a mixture of multiple choice, matching, Venn diagram, and sequencing. And like I said, you can be watching the video at the same time in a separate browser if you'd like, so that you can pause the video and watch it as you're doing this. So which description apply to seedless plants? Choose more than one answer. So every one of these that is true for seedless plants you would mark, and then you would say keep going. And do that until it's complete, and it will save automatically and upload your score. Once you complete all 4 activities on BrainPop, then you may exit out and go back to your Google Classroom and turn it in. If you have any questions, you can comment or email me with your questions.